Got your ankle. Marines do like charging up hills, so guess we're doing this. Now, do I absolutely destroy two 10-year-olds on a 6 blank? Yep, better run, buddy. My knees are so mad though. Come on, knees. Come on, knees. Left side, left side. How am I this out of shape? Oh my God. I know, but we gotta hold this down. I know, but we have to move up and take them so the other part of their team doesn't kill our team. All right, so I'm gonna move. You can hold this spot. Keep their heads down, okay? All right. Well, that was close. Hello. He's running around, he's running around. Good try, good try. Yeah, I think you got him. Oh, sorry, ref, sorry. Good run, good run.
Watch out! Getting cover, getting cover!
Back castle, we got two back there. We got our team pushing up here. We got two in their back castle. They got nowhere to go. Ah! How do you get in? How do you get in? There's no entrance. I ran halfway up and just stood along the wall because there's no way to get in. Right behind you, right behind you. It's me, it's me, it's me. Oh boy, they're right there, dude.
That's our guy. One that casts a straight up.
Yep. One of them ran back this way. This is a terrible plan. So much work. If you're out, move to the side. There. Oh. I'm out. You got me good. You got me good. Where they at? Where they at? Hey, we're good on right. We're good on right. Oh, I'm out. Doink me in the skull.